Book your taxi 24/7 at a reasonable price with Goa Miles. Download Goa Miles app today.
आमचे केपेचे आमदारान जायते मुद्दे मांडले. And that's because, sir, I am saying with responsibility and with facts that your department is not acting on these irregularities. Speaker, sir, आमी आमदार जाल्यार हिंगा almost 1.5 hours जाला. And right from day one, I have been pointing out to these irregularities. You said you would present reports, you would do several things. Nothing has happened till now. Speaker, sir, आता हे डिस्कशन जेन्ना जाल्लें पयलें एक कॉलिंग अटेंशन हांवें मूव केल्लें. At that time I was assured by the minister, calling attention move केलो तेन्ना की बाबा all these illegalities, they are looking at it with us seriously. हेंकां इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट आनी सगळे मनशां आपयतले म्हणून मिटींग जातली म्हणून मुखेलमंत्रीनी सांगलोलें बाबा सगळ्यांक तुमकां आपयतले म्हणून आनी एक मिटींग जातली, they will come to a decision. Now, Speaker sir, why I am saying that you all are not serious. You see, Speaker sir, the total area of your industrial estate is around 191,756 square meters. Of this, you have given 12.75 lakhs to IPB. Now, the first time when I asked you this question, your reply on 10A, it talks about a nodal agency. If you remember, you said, I asked you that with the amount of pollution that is happening, with the amount of encroachment that is happening, what is the solution for it? So on 10/8, 31st March 2023, the government said that you will nominate the nodal agency in accordance with the assurance given by you on 19 January. That is what you said. You would on 19 January 2023. Now, प्रश्नाचेर येत मरे. Speaker sir, जेन्ना माननीय मंत्रीन नोडल एजन्सी अपॉइंट कोत्मू सांगलोलें, आतां स्पीकर सर जेन्ना हांवें तो प्रश्न केल्लो 19 जानेवारीक, LAQ number 136 today is in sharp contrast to your reply. What you say that the government has not agreed to form a nodal agency, appoint a nodal office person to monitor, control illegal activities including water and air pollution, encroachments, tax evasion in the industrial estates in Goa by coordinating with the industrial estates in various government departments. In January you agreed, now you're not agreeing. I'll place both these LAQs. Now, Speaker sir, why the government is hesitating to appoint a nodal agency who can monitor, control illegal activities including encroachments in the industrial estate in Goa and coordinate with various departments? Why you agree that there is no nodal agency? No, just now you are saying it doesn't fall under your purview, it falls under Revenue Department. Pollution issues comes under PWD, Environment Minister. How are they allowed to just run away with these illegalities? Why, when you said you would form a nodal agency, why you are giving me an answer that now there is no need?
Yes.
Because, sir, I think the honorable leader of position is tying himself up in knots. By nodal agency, it means seeking the cooperation of all departments concerned. That is what I meant when I said that. And for his information, I called all the departments concerned, including the pollution control department, and they gave a detailed presentation and answers to whatever his queries were there. As far as pollution control measures, as he was always bringing up in this house, it was very, very clearly explained as to what measures have been taken to mitigate and see that pollution in Konkolim Industrial Estate, which was there in years, does not take place. Even today, every issue is being very carefully monitored. I remember at that point of time, Speaker sir, he had brought the issue of the fishing industry as well. They are supposed to get labor from outside. They are supposed to cause the pollution. We went detailed into this particular thing. In fact, the managing director of IDC went personally. I sent him to inspect and report back. Our thing was fishing industry, that is a huge export potential. It exports and it is a seasonal industry, and they get labor from outside during that particular point of time. Even there was an issue as to how laborers can stay there. Even this we are going to solve in the long term by creating places for having various amenities, including housing for them. तेन्नाय हांवें सांगिल्लें, हे लोकां तरी ते सांगता इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान रावपा दिनाका म्हूण तेन्ना सांगताले, पोल्युशन करता, तांकां गांवांत सोडल्यार दुसरेच भाशेन प्रॉब्लेम एकदां निर्माण जाले, कित्याक तेंचें कल्चर दुसरें आसता, आमचें कल्चर दुसरें आसता. सोशल टेन्शन नाका म्हूण आमी तांकां परमीट केल्लें आसा आज पर्यंत. बट लायक लॉंग टर्म सोल्युशन आमी काडटा, वी आर सीज्ड ऑफ द मॅटर. म्हणून ही सर्वे जी चालू आसा, it will give us data of everything that actually matters in the formulation of policies and as to how we will move forward. I will take you also in confidence, so you don't have to worry on things which as if nothing has happened. आता nodal offense, the agency mutta, our nodal person is our Honorable Chief Minister. All of us, as you said, pollution yeta, revenue yeta, industries yeta, it is ultimately a collective responsibility from all of us. So if you talk of a nodal person, our nodal person is Honorable Chief Minister. If it so demands that it involves multiple departments, and at that point of time, if it needs resolution, Honorable Chief Minister, I will tell him to call the meeting and solve the issue. If you have any specific, bring it to my notice. If it so warrants, I will call that meeting. So where is the problem?
Speaker sir, Mantri, I specific insalne. It was on January, tene uttar dila ki nodal agency appoint kotmo. Agency, Chief Minister is okay. Speaker sir, you have to admit that you have not appointed this nodal agency. Let us not put the blame game. I am not putting the blame game on you or any department specifically. What I am trying to say is, despite of you giving an assurance, you are now talking about surveys. But what has happened, illegalities still continue. Till your nodal agency is formed, till your survey is done, massive illegalities are continuing. Speaker sir, je Mantri kode now sangpak sotta. Now your reply on 31st March 2023, I am coming specifically to Kunkolim Industrial Estate now. Speaker sir, they are given 9,72,325 square meters of total area in the Kunkolim Industrial Estate. Now, Speaker sir, some units have their own wall. Tunge wall aheti, you all have no records. You all have your reply states that the industrial units who have been plots and have constructed their own fencing and compound walls, and the department does not have any relevant plan, any drawings of each unit in digitized form. You have absolutely no record. You have been Industries Minister in the past also. But I'm not saying anything about the past. But presently, this department is sleeping. Why? I'll tell you. Speaker sir, now, if you look that you agree that there are illegalities all over the state, that they have encroached. These areas, especially in Kunkolim, they have gone into agricultural lands, paddy fields, and they are just dadagiri cholya, Speaker sir. And I had told you that it will be a law and order situation. Now the Home Minister is not day to day. Honorable Environment Minister is there, Revenue Minister is there, you are there. Why are you all not coordinating? Come out with some solution. When this progress mota, you have said that you have done some survey. 80%, you said 18 reports are ready, correct? You said 18 reports are ready. Why in my reply you didn't give? You said that you should have given me that 18 reports. I asked, Elton also asked, if you said 18 reports are replied, on the other side you say, you should have given the completed reports. Why you didn't give me those reports? Speaker sir, oh, एक serious issue aha. जे आज आमी कुंकोळकारांत जे एल्टनान सांगला ते हांव रिपीट कोना. But we will, law and order situation will take place, and this will be a major disaster. I request the Honorable Minister, I am very serious, it is coming to my constituency. I will not tolerate any form of these illegalities. We will see, it is my duty to be a law-abiding citizen. But tomorrow when the people come on the ground, we will go there and a racket will be created. I request you, another time I request you, please look at this. There are very serious issues there. Absolutely, you are talking about 200 to 300 laborers. Amche Revenue Minister andila. Now you are planning to come with a policy to regularize these irregularities. to protect these outsiders. We don't want them. You don't have a policy now. Act now. When will your policy come? Just act on it.
तर डायरेक्ट प्रश्न विचारा तुम्ही.
So when will, if it is illegal, why are you not acting? I understand you're saying it comes, ये भाईलमुनी saying आमक dictate कोताय. आमगे आखे गावा इतलो वास येता. इतले ये fish mill जाऊं सगळे ETP plant गात मुटाले. काय ना. सगळे गोबर. काय हकोत आमका आन्सर मेळटा आनी काय जायना माहिती नंतर. So I request you, you're a senior member. Please take this seriously, because I will take it very seriously. I was waiting for the assurance. The Honorable Chief Minister told me that you told me we will take a meeting, try and get it sorted, but there's absolutely nothing happening. Let it be. I am very transparent.
opposition leader, प्रश्न विचारा तुम्ही.
when ये जे survey report जो हा, or survey report, जो OTRA report है, you please table that. You said 18 reports are ready. And when will you come? If you are going to come with a policy, are you going to plan to regularize all these guys? 200-300 जे laborer रावताय.
एकाच बरोबर कितले प्रश्न विचारता तुम्ही?
200-300 laborer रावताय. हे जे मंत्रीन म्हाका दिसता सर जबाब दिवचो.
बिकॉज सर म्हाका एकूच समजना कितें इतलो एजिटेटेड जाता आमचो मेंबर आनी इमोशनलूय जाता. हांव समजोवपाक शकता, म्हाका कारण खबरूय बीन आसा, पूण ह्या हावजान हांव सांगपाक सोदना. हे कुंकोलीम इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट काल पयर येवना, हे पयलींसून आसा. आतां इरेग्युलरिटीज जे आमी म्हणटा, आमी प्रत्येक 23 इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान थोडे प्रमाणान, थोडे कडेन मायज प्रमाणान इलिगॅलिटी आसा. आनी इलिगॅलिटी म्हळ्यार कितें? दीस इज एक्चुअली वॉट फॉर फ्लावटींग सम टावन एंड कंट्री प्लॅनिंग रुल्स, म्हणजे सेटबॅक सोडपा जाय आसले थिंगा मातशें एक्सटेंड केला असले. दुसरो विशय येयला, राधा 1 मिनिट. दुसरो विशय तेणें काडला की इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट एरिया सोडून आतां आमकां सर्वे करतना आतां मान्य एल्टना जबाब दिता आसतना सांगिल्लें, वी स्लायटली दे हॅव गॉन इवन आउटसायड द इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेट. नाव तें डेटा आनी तें इन्फॉर्मेशन आमकां आतां येयला विथ द डिजिटल सर्वे. हेजे हुणे तूं सांगना ते गांवांत पावले, शेतान पावले, खूंय पावले ते. म्हणून हांवें तेकाय सांगिल्लें, स्पेसिफीक केसीस आहा आमकां बरय, वी वील टेक एक्शन, वी वील कम देर इफ नेसेसरी विथ द रिस्पेक्टीव पीपल. But it should not be the case, एक export oriented unit, which I think the fish export only Goa gives something like 30,000 crores if I am not mistaken. And it is a seasonal thing what happens from Goa. Are we going to disturb them? आणि जे तुवें हांगा फ्रेज हाडला, ते भायले लोक आमकां नाका अशें म्हणनाका. भायले भितोयले हिंगा करपा तूं वचनाका. एक मिनिट. हांवें स्पश्टपणे क्लियर सांगला, आमकां त्या लोकांची गरज आसा. आमी तांकां गांवांत सुद्दां सोडना, कित्याक तांकां इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटानूच दवरता, कित्याक गांवांत गेल्यार दुसरे भाशेन प्रॉब्लेम हांव जाणा कितें निर्माण जाता तें हांव हिंगा हावजान तें सांगपाक शकना. ताका खबर आसा. आतां थोडे इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट गोडी तेणें आपयले, ताका समजणी दिना आसतले, ताका वचोन मेळना आसतले, म्हणून तुजी ग्रीवन्स आसपाक शकता. हांव तांकां सांगता व्यवस्थीतपणे तुका
मंत्रीन
तुजे ग्रीवन्स आहा तें तुजे ग्रीवन्स आहा, तुका कोणूच मेळना आनी आमदार म्हूण तिंगा हें करना. म्हाका तांकां सांगचें पडटलें. हांव बाब रिजनलाकूय सांगता, तांकां सांग म्हूण बाबा वचोन एक्सप्लेनेशन.
मिनिस्टर ताका ते इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टा ताका मेंडी
प्रश्न
आय विल मीट. आयक मरे स्पीकर सर, आतां जो आमदार मंत्री भाशण दिता तेणें आश्वासन दिल्लें की मुख्यमंत्रीन सांगलोलें की मिटींग वूड बी टेकन इन लास्ट 3-4 म्हयने जाले, सगळें आपयन. आतां one इंडस्ट्रियल, यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट स्मॉल एनक्रोचमेंट्स. I charge that there is encroachments of almost 30,000-40,000 square meters of land.
Opposition leader.
30,000.
Opposition leader.
Question is that.
Question विचारनी. Question विचारनी.
30,000, 40,000 square meters of land. 200-300 laborers staying illegally there. You're talking about the fish industry. The fish industry, there is no proper ETP plants in place. All failure. That means whatever pollution is doing, people in the nearby, they should die.
Let me sit.
Yes.
Wait, I'm asking, let me finish. I'm asking, you sit down. I'll tell you, I'll finish.
Opposition leader, तो specific प्रश्न विचार.
I believe that you announce when this JF or report to how many days, how many months, how many years will it take you to get your policy framed, to get these illegalities curbed. Specifically because Elton spoke, we spoke about Konkolim, but this is happening all over the state. When
yes.
and when it
Specific
comes,
प्रश्न विचारा.
you please make sure that it is transparent. You come to the Konkolim interview, we will go together.
Opposition
You come,
leader.
I will show you the
Opposition leader. Specific प्रश्न विचारा ना. Answer
कसं
द्या. Yeah.
1 तारखेर डिमांड आसा तेन्नाय तो हेच रिपीट करतलो प्रश्न कालार 1, 2 वा 3 वा 4 प्रश्न विचारपाक जाय तेणे म्हाका दिसता 20-25 क्वेश्चन विचारले हांव आन्सर करपाक रेडी आसा स्पीकर सर पण हांव एकूच ताका सांगपाक सोदतां सुरवातेसून हांवें सांगलां जेन्ना डिजिटल सर्वे जाता आमकां म्हायती मेळपा लागला आनी आमचे कडेन म्हायती आसा 23 इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान 18 आंकड्याचेर आमी मुखार पावले आतां आमचे इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटान भायरूय पावले तो म्हूण सांगता आमकां ऑलरेडी तें खबर आहा
Yes.
कितें एक्शन घेवपा जाय कशें घेवपा जाय आय विल टेक द हाऊस
Yes.
इनटू कॉन्फिडन्स कांय एक्शन घेवना अशें तेणें म्हणपा जायना स्पीकर
प्रश्न
सर
क्रमांक 2 ची
You have
दिगंबर
only
कामत.
done a survey report. हुंय
प्रश्न क्रमांक 2
गेल्ले ना न्हू.
दिगंबर कामत.
आतां एक्शन घेतलो ते चोया तूं कितके एक्शन घेतलो.
तुम पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.
Travel the world with GAC Holidays. Pay later in easy EMIs. Call us for more details.